Wish ko sa'yo, sa birthday mo, sana maging healthy ka, long life, good health, keep it up, huwag ka magbabago, stay cool, happy birthday, bebe.
Hello, Dorel. Happy birthday. Now you're turning 21 and you are our lovable debutant. Well, stay good. Being a good son. Okay, being a good friend. Being a good cousin. Or being a good grandson of your Lola. Okay, I love you, girl. I love you most. May you have many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Anak, wish ko lang sa birthday mo na sana lagi kang healthy. Saka mas importante, lagi ka rin magdasal kay God. Kasi ang God lagi nasa ano natin yan. Huwag mo kalimutan na higit sa lahat, yung mama mo, lola mo, at lahat ng mga pinsan mo. Wish ko lang lahat ng mga pangarap mo.
Iyak-yata ako dyan, may iyak eh.
Happy birthday na, I love you.
Darrell, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo, sana mag-aaral ka mabuti. At pag-igihin mo ang pag-aaral mo, yun lamang. Pilitin mong makatapos, yun lamang ang may pamamana mo sa iyong lola at ina at ama. Yun lang, wish ko, magtapos ka sa pag-aaral.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, love you.
Darrell, happy birthday to you. Thank you for being a good and loving kuya to me. Ingat lagi. I love you.
Maligayang bati. Happy birthday, Kuya Daryl. I hope you have a great birthday. And I can't believe you're getting old. Love you. Mwah.
Hello, Nak. Happy birthday. Wish ko na sana marami pang birthday na darating sa'yo, maging malusog at laging magdasal sa itaas. Focus muna sa pag-aaral. Enjoy mo yung buhay mo ngayon, araw. Pasensya ka na, anak. Wala si papa mo sa tabi mo, araw-araw. Huwag kang mag-alala. Andito lang ako. Mahal na mahal ka ni papa. Focus muna sa pag-aaral, nak. Enjoy mo life mo. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, anak. My debutant, my only son, my love of my life. Today you're turning 21. You encounter lots of challenge in life and be responsible enough to manage it. my wish for you, anak, stay being a good son, a loving son, and a grandson of your Lola. Put God first in your life. May all your dreams come true, more years to come, and good health always. I love you, Mos, and God bless you, anak. Happy birthday again!
Daryl, happy birthday. I wish you achieve all your dreams in life as well as a happy family of your own. Remain sweet, humble, and loving to your parents, to your family, as well as relatives. I hope you achieve education not to be rich, but to use it as a tool for you to succeed in your career or your business. Strive for happiness more than wealth, especially for your future family. I will strive to live longer to see your happiness fulfilled and an opportunity to play with your children. I may not be showy with my love to you, but you are always the #1 treasure of my life since you were born. Your mom is just the second. She was the first before, but now you get the #1 spot in my heart. So again, many happy returns of the day coming from your Lola in Myanmar. Love you!